Another feature we need to review to fully uncover Google Maps' potential is collaborative lists. This feature allows you to create and share lists of locations with others, enabling group collaboration and planning. Let's take a closer look at how it works. To create a collaborative list, navigate to the Saved tab at the bottom of the screen where you can view your lists. Then, either create a new list or choose an existing one. Click on the three dots and select Edit List. Next, enable the Share option. You can share your list with others or allow them to add to and edit the list. For sharing, you'll receive a link that you can send via text, email, or social media. Once they have the link, they can view and add locations to the list. When you share a list with someone, it will appear in their Saved tab. Collaborators can edit the list by adding descriptions, notes, or rearranging the order of locations. All changes made by collaborators are updated in real time, so everyone sees the latest version of the list. You can also stop collaborating on lists. To do this, simply change the settings to private. The list will immediately disappear from the Saved section for the people you shared it with, and the link to the list will become invalid. Collaborative lists is a perfect feature for planning trips or outings with friends or family. It makes it easy to plan and coordinate group activities by allowing everyone involved to contribute ideas and suggestions directly within Google Maps.